tide Thursday at 10:27 p.m. High tide Friday at 4:12 a.m. Until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the thunderstorm was located near Palm Coast, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: 4 knots or greater. Source: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Beverly Beach, Georges Reef, Marineland, Palm Coast. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure